Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from a Zenpop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code RAMENRATER for a discount. So the one I got today is an Acecook variety. It's navy curry udon. And basically there's like a harbor or a city. Yeah, here's the logo for it. Check this out. Yeah, so it's like, I guess the military guys like curry soba and curry udon so much that there's like a harbor that's named after it. The fact that they enjoy it. So very cool. I myself am a strong adherent to the wonder and beauty of curry. So here is our cup, our noodle block, and our loose bits. So I basically disassemble so I can take pictures and stuff for the video, and then put it all back together like this and cook it up in the bowl. Sometimes I don't cook it up in the bowl, sometimes I do it a little different, but yeah. Now, here we go. And we're gonna put a lid on top. How long is this? I'll be floored if it's more than... Oh, it's 4 minutes. Wow. Okay, I'm floored. Call me floored. So, what's going on these days? Other than COVID-19 and the backlash over the George Floyd killing. You'll be seeing this in, God, July. Wow. I'm curious what's going to be going on by then. I always, have this kind of like, what'll the world be like when this gets seen? Because things just be changing lately. A lot of things. It's like, this changes, that changes. Nothing is like, I don't know. Everything is just very topsy-turvy. But I'm sure it'll get back to normal. I'm really not sure. I don't know. Either way, I don't have some kind of special crystal ball that can tell you. It won't surprise me, though, if people will just forget about all of this stuff. It seems like people these days have the attention span of a goldfish, you know what I mean? But hopefully not. Hopefully we learn from things and move on to greener pastures of our own doing. But, what can I say? We'll see what happens. But, yeah, it's Wednesday here. Gonna go visit my mom tomorrow. I'm really excited about that. She hasn't been doing so good, so hopefully a visit from us and the kids will cheer her up. It's kind of like a requirement. Yeah. And, I heard yesterday, I found out, I listened to this radio station called CKUW. And it's the University of Winnipeg radio station, and it's rad. If you have TuneIn, you can just go like listen to it on there. But it's rad because they play some really, really strange shows, and one of them was like an old, like a weird music that nobody's listened to in like ages. That was kind of eccentric and weird at the time. Like there's this song called "Food, Food, Food" from the Popeye movie soundtrack from like 1980. It was actually a rad track, and then he played a Kraftwerk song, and it's just like, it turns out Florian Schneider from Kraftwerk died. I was, what? Really? Wow. That sucks. R.I.P. Florian Schneider. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Kraftwerk. I'll blast that in the stroller. Oh yeah. And I got a little Bluetooth speaker that I gave to my sister, but she doesn't ever use it or want it, so I'm getting it back, and I'm gonna put it in my my fanny pack, so I can like blast tunes while I'm just walking, like around 4 in the morning. I'll be busting up some of Florian Schneider stuff. Best believe was I had my phone in my pocket playing some Five Boroughs, Beastie Boys this morning. Just doesn't work. Phone in pocket with phone speaker does not compare to nice noisy little Bluetooth speaker. Well, here's our Japanese Navy curry, udon, ladies and gentlemen. Smells good. I had the soba one. Pretty sure my chief complaint was that the curry just was not thick enough. Let's give it a try. Here we are. Now, cheers. What do we got in here? A little bit of something. Nah, come back, you. Is that green bean? I don't know. Potato. I don't know. Curry noodles with potato in it. It bugs me. It just doesn't work. It's like potato with, I will say this, I love the packaging. The packaging is really cool. What's in it in the package. Yeah, I mean, that's rad. I really like the way this looks. It's got the kind of like the yellow jacket, angry hornet kind of thing. I dig it. But this, not my favorite. Not horrible, just not my favorite. There we are. So, how are we gonna gussy this up, folks? I had some ideas. chief of which involve fish cake. Kamaboko. I mean, kamaboko and curry just, yeah. I really like this kamaboko. It's pretty good. It costs a little more. The other stuff is like really red. The outside is just like ultra red. There we go, that's a little better. There we go. Yeah, I got a bunch of these little Ziploc bags off of Amazon. I think I got like 100 of them for like $6. But I mean, when I've frozen this stuff and I've, thin sliced it and just put it in a single big bag, it gets freezer burnt so bad. This doesn't at all in these little tiny Ziplocs, so I'm jazzed about that. Okay. Miles is saying something out there. He's letting me know. I think. There we go. I think a little bit of shichimi. Good morning, Miles. It's afternoon, by the way. I'm not Mr. Grumpfish. There we go. Now it's spicy. And let's let Rotato do some cheesy wonder on this on Wednesday. Oh, right at the end of the song. Well. Yeah, so like I was saying, this is a Acecook curry udon commemorating the Japanese Navy. If you want to check out Zenpop, go to zenpop.jp in your browser. Use the coupon code RamenRaider for a discount. And don't forget to go to your Google Play Store and look up the Ramen Raider and get the brand new snazzy Ramen Raider app. And go to shop.theramenraider.com to check out everything on there. But yeah, this has been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.